Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into Sun Life Dental app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Sun Life Dental app lets you manage your dental benefit easily, view and share your ID, locate in-network dentist and check claims tabs, and see your plan, deductible and minimum ride on your phone. But some users report frustrating log issues or trouble using certain features, and the review site safety ratings are very low. So in my opinion, if you have Sun Life dental coverage, this app can be really useful for managing benefits. Just be prepared for few hiccups and consider also using their web portal if things don't work smoothly on your phone. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.